YouTube video today. Yes sir, you see what we got here. I'm gonna be unboxing the Cyberpower PC for you guys. Where you going? Anyways, you guys, I'm back. So you know what I'm saying, we got us here a Cyberpower PC, gaming PC, AMD Ryzen 7. Yes sir, I said it, Ryzen 7. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, you guys. I've been thugging it off the MacBook, but we're gonna get official today, I promise y'all that. So let's see, I guess I'll read off to you guys the specifications. So of course this comes with Windows 10 Home. We got the Ryzen 7 3700X, 3.6 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes of RAM, DDR4 memory. I'm talking about plenty of memory. I got lots of it. We got the Radeon RX 5700 processor and 1 terabyte of SSD. So, alright guys, the features that come with this PC are gonna be, we actually have a liquid cooler, and that's one reason I really wanted this one, because I know a lot of standard PCs come with they come with the standard coolers, the air coolers, but I wanted a PC with a liquid cooler in it because of how it looks and RGB lighting and all that good stuff. So yeah, we got that. Of course, we got the case that comes with the lighting. We got built-in Wi-Fi, and this PC comes with a gaming keyboard and a 7-color gaming mouse. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, it's a really good PC for the price I got it for. That being said, we're gonna cut this bad boy open. I don't even know where to start. I guess this is the keyboard. I'll show you guys this. So we got this wired gaming keyboard. Alright, it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Let you guys see that. This comes with that gaming keyboard. And jazz. Actual PC. There goes the box. A bag of extra stuff, power cord. I guess this is the Cyberpower manual stuff. This is probably the mouse. So here we are. The actual PC. I don't know if this is upside down or whatever, but this is it right here. So, oh, this is upside down. I played. I'm already playing. Let me flip this real quick. Alright, so, what do we got? What do we got? Look at it. Whew, come here, smell this. It just smells like beauty. Just put your nose on it. Boy. So here we got the, is this a gift card? Free gift? Oh, no, that's some other stuff. Alright. But yeah, guys, so this is the actual PC. Take off all the plastic. Just look at this. It's beautiful. Like, look at it. I'm gonna grab you guys real quick and let you get a better look at it. So, this is the actual PC. Yep. Nice white and black case. Here's the clear side of it, where you can see all the parts of it. All that good stuff. The top of it. The top, of course, it comes with the 2 USB ports, the 2 auxiliary ports, One of these is the power button, I'm assuming. I'm not sure. Then we got the back of it, of course. I know the power button's back here. I don't know what these buttons are. And it's probably like the Wi-Fi buttons. I don't know. But overall, I like it. I guess the top is like some type of filtering system. And what the world is this? Oh, so I guess I have to open it up and take that out. Let me see. Before moving, feel like monitor here, see below. Connect monitor. Alright, so this is how it comes off, I guess. Alright, so we figured out finally how to get the case off. That's confusing. So it hooks on with these two screw ones on the side. So make sure to keep up with those if you do get it. So inside of the PC, there is this whatever you call this, like stuffing or whatever, to keep your parts from flying everywhere or whatever. So of course we don't need this. Alright, so show you guys the inside. Boy, look at that. Jesus have mercy. Look at that motherboard. We got the CPU, the GPU, we got all that good stuff. We got the Ryzen in there. And we got the fans on the side over here with the RGB lighting. It's a lot of good stuff in here, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, so that's the inside of it. With that being said, you guys, this is my PC. This is actually, like I said, my first PC. So I'm gonna let you guys know how I like it in the update video. I'm gonna have to learn the ins and outs of it. I'm not really too familiar with this and all that. So after I learn a bit and try it out a little bit, I'll let you guys know how I like it. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you turn on your post notifications for future videos. Comment. Let me know if you guys think about picking up this PC. Let me know what other kind of PCs you have. And also make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. With that being said, this is Big J Plays. I appreciate you guys for watching. And I'll get up with y'all in the next video over there.